Alright, so in Chapter 4, the focus is writing linear equations. So in this first section, we're going to practice some basic writing linear equations in slope-intercept form. So remember, slope-intercept form is the form of an equation in which y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and b is the y-intercept of the graph of the line. So if we look at example 1, in example 1, we're going to look at how we can write the equation of a line if we know the slope and the y-intercept. So for example, let's say we want to write an equation of the line with a slope of -2 and y-intercept of 0, 5. So if our slope is -2, well, that's the m, and our y-intercept is the point 0, 5, 5 is the b. So looking at the y equals mx plus b form, we can plug those values in, and there's the general form of our equation. Y equals, again, -2 is the slope, so that's our m, and then plus 5 because the y-intercept is at 0, 5, and positive 5 is the point of the y-intercept. So that would be the equation for that line. We can also do this if we're given 2 points. So in the same sense, we can write an equation of a line if we know 2 points that are on the line. So for example, if we want to write an equation for the line shown, so this line here, we want to do 2 things. Okay? So if we want to write an equation in slope-intercept form, well, we need the slope and we need the y-intercept. Okay? So we have 2 points that are on the line. So the first thing is to find the slope of the line. Okay? So find the slope that goes through those 2 points, the point 3, -2, and 0, -4. So you can either use rise over run method. So from this point to this point, I'd rise 1, 2, and my run would be 1, 2, 3. So my rise of 2 over my run of 3 would give me a slope of 2/3. You could also use the formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 would give me the same value, 2 over 3. So I have my slope. Now I just need my y-intercept. Well, luckily in this case, it's given to me right here. My y-intercept, or the point where my line crosses the y-axis, is the point 0, -4. So my y-intercept is 0, -4. So if I want to write the equation in slope-intercept form, I plug in 2/3 for m, which is the slope, and I replace b, the y-intercept, with a -4 because the y-intercept occurs at -4.